So it's in this little white bag. Oh, it's so pretty! Hello world! Welcome back to my vlog, welcome back to my channel. I have had my eye on a certain product for quite a while now. That is the Canon PowerShot V10. I saw that it was on sale for Amazon Prime Day, so unfortunately I did fall victim to the Prime Day sale, but it was actually a really good sale, and I've been keeping an eye on this product for literally at least the last 6 months, over 6 months. I've been watching other people's YouTube videos and reviews about it, and I do already have a Canon G7X Mark II that is a different type of vlog camera. I've had it for a really long time, like probably 6+ years or something, since I was 18 and I'm almost 25. I do like that camera a lot. It's just a little bit bigger and harder to carry around places. It takes up all the room in my purses, and not to complain because I'm very grateful that I have it, but it's just not always the most convenient, and for someone who's a little bit more introverted and shyer, I don't necessarily want to, hold up a giant camera in public all the time. The one I'm filming on right now is my Canon EOS R10, which I got back in the fall of this past year, and I love it. I use it literally all the time. It is amazing, but of course that's also not really like a vlog camera. It's good for video, but more like getting B-roll footage and stuff like that. So all of that being said, all these different things and videos I watched and reviews that I read are all things that went into the thought process of me actually finally taking the leap and buying this product. Also, I just realized that my dishwasher is running right now, so if you can hear that in the background, I do apologize. We're gonna do a little bit of an unboxing because I've waited a couple days to actually open my products, and I'm very excited, so let's get started. Also, really quick before I open it, this is my Canon G7X Mark II. I do like it a lot, like I said, even though in the first couple weeks that I got it, I got a big crack on the screen and I never got that fixed, but it's fine. Also, my mom doesn't know about that and she's gonna see this video, so. But as you can see, it's kind of like just bigger. It's a lot heavier, it's pretty bulky. Let's unbox my new little vlog camera. This is the box. I did get the silver one. I debated for like 3 hours, and by then the sale was literally about to end. They have black and they have the silver one, and I mean it's literally just like a little silver stripe at the top, but I kind of like that one more. I thought it was maybe a little bit girlier. Let us open the box. Okay, cool. I don't live in either of those countries, but that's fine. Here's the instruction manual. Ooh. And here we go. She's all packaged up. I'm gonna be careful so I don't drop this and crack the screen like my other camera. So it's in this little white bag. Oh, it's so pretty! First impressions is it feels really nice. This like plasticky material feels cool to me, I guess. The screen is a decent size and it's pretty compact, and I know everybody says that about this, but that's the whole point of the camera, is that it's compact and it's not supposed to take up a ton of space in your purse or your pocket. I'm gonna test it out here in a little bit. We're gonna see what that actually is like in practice, but it looks like this little screen flips up. It's pretty simple. I guess you just press the little red button in the middle of it and it just starts recording, which I think is why so many people like it. Like, you don't really have to turn it on. Ooh, cool. There's a little like tripod stand. Okay. And let's try to flip it over. Oh, cool. Okay, so it also goes back this way. That's kind of cool. So it'll get a couple of different angles. I know people really, really like the tripod on this, and that's like a big winner for it. I think it's probably dead, so the little power button. Oh, it's on. Okay, it's on. It is touchscreen, so that's nice. So let's set it to English. Oh God, what's the date? Alexa, what's the date?
It's Sunday, July 21st.
Okay, so you can see that it's recording me. Well, it's not actually recording. It is showing that the battery is like super dead and there's no card in the camera. I did order a little micro SD card because this does require a micro SD card, so keep that in mind. So far, the quality of the camera is pretty good. I actually think I really like this. Okay, well, let's go charge it, and then I will get some more footage of the actual components of the camera, because this looks really nice. It feels so new. I'm so excited. Let's put a little card in here, and then let's charge this up. It charges via a little USB-C port, which is on the side. A little USB-C port right there. I just discovered 2 other items that were in the box. This is wristlet, whatever it's called, to connect to the camera so you can put it around your wrist and stuff. I wish it was one of the tightening ones though. I have really tiny wrists. It comes with a charging cable, which is nice. This is the SD card that I got. Like I said, it does require a micro SD card. I got the SanDisk Extreme micro SD card with extreme capture, transfer, and app speeds. Speeds up to 190 megabytes a second, and that's how much it reads, and then 90 is how much it writes. So I'm gonna pretend that I know what that means. So basically what I'm gonna do this afternoon, should have considered thinking about how long it would take that thing to charge. So maybe I'll just go up to like 50% battery or something like that, and then take it out for a little test run. So I think I'll take it out on a spin out in the wild and go to Trader Joe's, try to insert some of the footage that I capture when I'm out and about, and I will talk some more about it when I return. Meanwhile, the Bobby has not interrupted me for the entire video because it is his afternoon nap time. He literally turned away from the camera because he wants me to shut up. Bobby. You say hi? Says what in the world? Sleepy kitty. Says what the heck is in my face? Hello. This is my first little clip on the Canon PowerShot V10. I just clicked the big red record button in the middle to get this going. So I have no idea what the sound sounds like. I am also finding that I'm looking at the screen and not at the camera, so I don't know if you can tell a difference or not, but I guess I'll see when I review the footage later. Right now, I have the camera set to 29 frames per second, or technically I guess it's 30 frames per second, whatever, for the normal storage option, because there's like a normal size and a lighter size. I don't really truly fully know if that makes a huge difference or not. I do have the lighter storage size set on my Canon EOS R10. I put my glasses on because my contacts were bothering me. I'm currently looking out the window as it is pouring down rain. I'm still gonna go to Trader Joe's because I do need to get a couple of grocery things for the week, and because it's raining and 5 p.m. on a Sunday, there's not gonna be that many people there. So I figure it'll be a good opportunity to bring my new friend. Oh, actually, I guess it is fully charged. So it took like 2 hours almost, an hour and a half to charge it up. Right now, I am not using the image stabilization mode. So I will do a clip here in a second that shows the difference. So far, I like the quality that I see on the screen. My opinion might change when I upload it to my computer, and I really want to compare and see what this quality is like for this tiny pocket-sized camera compared to my Canon G7X that came out like years ago. Okay, I just turned on the image stabilization mode. It did crop me in a little bit. I'm gonna move around and I don't know, we'll see how that looks when I upload it to my computer later. Let's go walk around my apartment and try to zoom in, or not zoom in because this doesn't have zooming capabilities, but just kind of try to focus on a couple of things and see if it focuses well. Currently, I'm eating these things. I don't know, did that focus well or not? Well, I guess I'll find out soon. Okay, I just set you down on my counter and I turned off the image stabilization mode because obviously you are stagnant right now. I'm not touching the camera. You can just watch me eat these snacks and we'll see how well it picks up on the camera. and then I drop them everywhere, so that's fine. Something that I did see in more negative reviews about the camera, kind of the pros and cons, this camera doesn't always do very well in low light. So right now, the only thing in my apartment is completely natural lighting. I have the windows on one side of my apartment open. It's raining right now, so it's a lot darker in my apartment than when I did the first part of this video, because it was completely sunny outside. You can kind of see, I don't know how badly it's struggling right now, because there is a lot of natural light in my apartment, but I guess I'll find out soon. I am going to make ramen, and I will go to the grocery store after because I am starting to feel weird, which usually means that I need food. So this ramen is from Trader Joe's, and I'm gonna eat it with broccoli and this like bread stuff that I got from Costco. Someone just woke up from his nap. He's eating his dinner. Okay, I know that it's literally 7:30 now, and Trader Joe's closes in an hour and a half, and I've been saying the entire day that I'm gonna go there, but I finally actually am, so come with me to Trader Joe's. Alrighty, so I am actually recording this voiceover after a couple of weeks of having the camera. I honestly actually would really recommend it if this is a product that you are looking to get started with vlogging, if you want to use something that is a little bit just more of a step up from just filming on your iPhone. There are some things that I wish were a little bit better, especially because this was introduced in the year 2023. It's 2024 now. I think that the image stabilization could be a lot better. I think that the camera quality could be a little bit higher, and I really don't like that after using image stabilization, the image quality decreased when it was focused on my face like you saw in that earlier footage. But overall, I love the size. It's pretty inconspicuous. Overall, I think you should get it if you're looking at it. Like today is National Ice Cream Day, so I just ordered a hot fudge sundae. I actually really love soft serve ice cream, and the person's coming to my window. She's beautiful. It's so good. I'm happy now. So I just got home. You're currently sitting on top of a roll of paper towels because this thing can really just be put anywhere. Experience in Trader Joe's was interesting. In comparison to how many B-roll clips and little pieces of footage I would have been able to get on like my other vlog camera, I think I got more on this one, but it's such a strange little device that it's not super obvious like what you're holding, and so I think I was a little embarrassed to carry it and hold it, and I was really conscious of the fact that the lens is exposed, and that is another con of the camera. It's not like the actual physical lens, like I think there's a layer of glass over it that like protects it, but still, like if you get fingerprints on it or you scratch it, like I don't really know what you do with that, so I wonder if they make covers for it or anything. Next time I need to put the little handle strap onto it because I haven't attached that to this camera yet. I think I was still able to get some clips. I don't know what they look like yet because I haven't uploaded them to my computer. I think no matter where you go, it's hard to vlog in public. It's hard to get footage and B-roll and try to look normal. With a real camera, it's really obvious what you're doing. With this one, it's like, oh, is she holding a phone? What is she carrying? I have no idea. It's the spotlight effect, right? People don't actually care about what other people are doing or pay attention to what other people are doing, but it's all in our head and we think that they are. Anyways, I got some groceries. I got 2 bags worth. Usually they're actually completely full. I think this time I only spent $64, but I also didn't need to get a super ton of things from the store. So I'm gonna put all of this away and I'm gonna play with my kitten because he gets very needy when I'm gone and he gets very upset when I leave him. Although I think he's just been, hi Bobby, he's just been sleeping for a lot of this video. So he's not in that bad of a mood. I just need to make sure I give him attention. This is my Bobby. He got a whole video dedicated to him when I bought him. He's a little rag doll and he's a little angel, right Bobby? Except he gets a little antsy when he's picked off the ground for longer than 60 seconds. Say bye, Bobby. He's being crazy. Okay, we're gonna try this. This is the mango creamsicle. Say hi. So yesterday we went hiking and did a couple of basic awesome things. We went and saw